Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today I am back again with my topic of Snipe IT. And in Snipe IT, I am going to show you how you can create new ACID manufacturer, suppliers, and etc. So first of all, we have to log in. This is the main dashboard, and if you can see, there is no asset, no license, no accessories, no consumable, and no component. In my previous video I am guided you that how you can import all of your assets in one go at your server, and if you want to add manually, then I am going to show you how you can do that. You can you see your assets from here, licenses, accessories, consumable components here, and if you have admin user, you can see all these from here, and you have again these five options available here. You simply have to open the asset dashboard like the way I have opened up. If you see, we have two buttons available here: custom export and create new. And create new for all these compulsory components we are going to use in future for our server. So I'm going to create new button, and if you haven't created any company, you can create the companies from here. If you see the button here, okay, let's just tell you, you can create the company here: company name, phone number, fax, email, if the company have either any profile. So I have created the companies from here which are visible here. I am going to select like Alpha Zap. What is the AC tag number 3456. What is the serial number? SN98. It's just an example. You can select the model from here, and you can create a new model from here according to your requirement. Let's just select any of the model. Then you have to select what is the status of this asset. You are going to select online checkout to. If you are assigning this asset to any of the user or any of the asset, any of the location, you can select from here. I am going to select this route. You can add the notes for the future use, and default location, you can create default location from here. I am going to select a random location, and you can create the location from here as well. And from this menu, you can create all these fields from here, and then you will be able to use those custom fields here. This asset is either requestable or not requestable. Like someone can request this asset that please assign me, and then if you have any image for this asset, you can upload from here. Some optional information if you want to attach according to your requirement: what is your order number, if you have purchased it, purchase date, EOL date, end of life date, supplier, who is the supplier. You can select the supplier name, and you can create from here as well, and then purchase cost. And when you click on this save button, this asset will be created like the way I have created. If you go to main dashboard, one asset has been created and it is visible now. This is how you can create all these. If you want to create a software, you can select the software name, category name, product key, if any company name, manufacturer is who, license to the name, license to the email, supplier, order number, purchase cost, purchase date, expiration days, and many more. And whenever you click on this save button, this license will be added to your server. This is how you can create the accessory as well. All the fields are self-explained, and which were editable or addable, the new button is available in front of them. If any option provide you a drop down button and it doesn't contain any value, you can create that from here as well. This is how you can create accessory and consumable as well, like I have guided you, and the components as well. This is how you can create your manual assets, licenses, accessories, consumable components in your Snipe IT server according to your requirement. Hope you guys understood these scenarios. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Please support me and my channel. Until then, stay blessed. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.